The movement of persons or vehicles, including towed aircraft on the maneuvering area of an aerodrome shall be controlled by the aerodrome control tower to avoid hazard to them or to aeroplanes landing, taking off or taxiing. In conditions where low visibility procedures are in operation, persons and vehicles on the maneuvering area of an aerodrome are to be restricted to the essential minimum. In particular regard is to be given to the requirements to protect the ILS and MLS sensitive areas when Category 2 and 3 position instrument flying operations are in progress. Except where emergency vehicles are concerned, the minimum separation between vehicles and taxiing aeroplanes is to be specified by the appropriate ATS authority, taking into account the surface movement guidance aids available. When mixed ILS and MLS Category 2 and 3 position instrument operations are taking place to the same runway continuously, the more restrictive ILS or MLS critical and sensitive areas shall be protected. Emergency vehicles proceeding to the assistance of an aircraft in distress shall be afforded priority over all other surface movements. The normal priorities for the movement of vehicular traffic on the maneuvering area, that is the runways and taxiways but not the aprons, our vehicles and vehicles towing aircraft shall give way to aeroplanes which are taking off, landing or taxiing. Vehicles should give way to vehicles towing aeroplanes. Vehicles should give way to other vehicles in accordance with the local ATSU instructions. Notwithstanding all of the above, vehicles towing aircraft and other vehicles will comply with instructions issued from the Aerodrome Control Tower.